Tech Motors family. This is the 1997 Town Ace Noah. It has 31,626 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This factory right-hand drive vehicle does have 2 doors alongside 1 rear sliding door and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. As y'all can also see, they do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 50,898, that is the kilometers. The miles on this vehicle, again, is 31,626. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you do not miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the continual support. It does mean more than you know. Have a blessed and safe day.